actually have a rule. Only one. It's okay if you slip up. It's okay if you forget or make a mistake, but you gotta try and do your best to stick with this, okay? And this rule applies to everybody I teach, and that is no negative self-talk. By that I mean, if you paint perhaps a leaf and it's a bit wonky and wobbly, maybe you even smudge it because your hand slid across the page. Instead of saying, oh, I ruined it, I'm really not very good at painting, wow, I suck at this, or my leaves are not good. Instead of saying any of those things, I encourage you to reframe it and say something like this leaf has so much character. Wow, I love the way that smudge added texture to my painting. Or maybe this leaf didn't exactly turn out how I wanted it to, but oh my goodness, it's such an improvement from the last leaf that I painted. I'm getting so much better at this and I'm having so much fun. And that's it, that's the rule. And I encourage you to maybe let a friend or two in on this rule, or if you're learning to paint with someone, hold each other accountable, because it is easy to slip into that negative self-talk. And I personally am the queen of negative self-talk, but I encourage you to try and reframe those negative negative self-talk thoughts. I don't know. You know what I mean. And if you're ready to jump in and get started with watercolor, then I've got a playlist ready for you.